When you purchase the CyanoFluor Handheld Hab Indicator Field package, you'll receive a carrying case with the CyanoFluor inside a storage pouch, a syringe used for sampling, two 1 centimeter glass cuvettes used for measuring samples, and Kim wipes used for wiping down the cuvettes. 10 0.2 micron capsule filters used for correcting for DOM if necessary. Calibration check standard used for verifying the instrument's calibration. A USB data download cable along with a USB thumb drive, which includes the download utility software, and a quick start guide, which includes information on how to perform a calibration check, run a filtrate blank or filter for correcting for DOM, sampling procedure, and how to download data.